The Lord hears the cry of the poor. I will bless the Lord at all times. His praise shall be ever in my mouth. Let my soul glory in the Lord. The lowly will hear me and be glad. The Lord hears the cry of the poor. Glorify the Lord with me. Let us together extol His name. I sought the Lord, and He answered me and delivered me from all my fears. The Lord hears the cry of the poor. Look to Him that you may be radiant with joy, and your faces may not blush with shame. When the poor one called out, the Lord heard, and from all his distress He saved him. The Lord hears the cry of the poor. The angel of the Lord encamps around those who fear Him and delivers them. Taste and see how good the Lord